G'day. So you have a large cookie base. What now? You could eat it all yourself. You could share it with others. Or have a cheeky backup supply when you crave cookies late at night and you can't wake the kids. We start with cling wrap on a textured surface. You need the friction to roll it more easily. Place the cookie dough down and make a rough log. Gently roll up the dough in the wrap and push out the air along the edges. Grab both ends of the log and roll in a singular direction, lifting gently on the return. Continue until the edges are sealed. You may also use baker's paper, but I find the wrap is far superior. Now these logs can store in the fridge for up to 4 days or up to 3 months in the freezer. When using them, take them out of the fridge, cut up and cook as normal. If taking from the freezer, allow to defrost in the fridge first and then cut and use as normal. Enjoy!